Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Myiesha, also a beauty director. And we are here to show you some products that promote wellness.
Yes.
If you are into the yoga lifestyle, if you like things a little calmer, rituals and things like that.
Girl, you know me.
Yeah.
I just moved to California and I am
right
full
up
force.
Jeffrey's alley. Right up Jeffrey's alley, but there are some products here that I use as well and some new ones that I'm excited about. So whenever we do skincare campaigns, we try to make it as easy as possible for you guys, and we split it up into usually 4 ingredients. So we have mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
We have potent teas. We have supplements, as well as acids. And acids don't have to be scary, and we'll talk a little bit about that in a second.
Now, first up, we have a huge buzz ingredient. You mentioned it already, but mushrooms are really hitting the market in full force. We're seeing brands really adapt to this new and innovative ingredient. So from Origins, we have the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. This guy here is actually a soothing toning lotion, so you can use this after your cleanser to reset the pH of the skin and to give a soothing, hydrating effect. So if you're wanting to use this, the best thing to do is to kind of maybe load up a cotton round, or you can even splash a little bit in your hands and sort of press it into the skin.
I don't want to lose any. So
yeah, you want to keep it. Yeah, exactly. So it's a good idea to kind of put it on a cotton round and just sort of press it or swipe it over the skin. And again, you'll be ready to apply your serums and moisturizers directly after. So another really awesome moisturizer that fits into the mushroom category is going to be from Youth to the People, and it's called the Deep Moisture Cream. Now, this particular moisturizer is really awesome because, you know, Youth to the People is known for their, like, superfood complex.
Their salad.
So you've got, yeah, exactly. You've
Kale,
got green tea,
spinach.
kale, and spinach, but they've added in reishi mushroom as an adaptogen, which will help your body to navigate and adapt to stress more easily and fluidly. So it's a great anti-inflammatory and, again, super anti-aging and moisturizing.
Yeah, because I feel like when you connect stress and beauty, people feel like it's kind of hippy-dippy, but my eczema is actually connected to my stress directly.
Exactly.
So I always have to sort of calm myself down or use soothing products so that it doesn't get worse. So
exactly, totally.
I'm excited about that one.
So following that, we have a serum from a brand called Volition. Now, Volition.
Love Volition.
Yeah, Volition is really cool. This is actually a crowdsourced skincare brand. So they actually go straight to the consumer, being you, and asking what are some of the things that we need in the marketplace. So Volition brought it for you. They have the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So honestly, this is super hydrating. I used a full pipette on my hand the other day thinking that it wasn't going to go very far, and actually 1 drop is pretty much all you need. You really don't need a lot of this product. It's got a lot of like moisturizing ingredients that are going to help to plump up texture in the skin.
One of our next ingredients is potent teas. I want to say potency, but it's potent teas. So one of my longtime favorite skincare categories in Fresh is their black tea line. I love the black tea perfecting mask, but I don't always have 15 to 20 minutes to put it on. I feel like it preps skin beautifully for makeup. So now we have the black tea kombucha facial treatment essence, kind of a similar consistency to the Origin one that Jeffrey just talked about. But kombucha, I feel like I know like at least 10 people who brew it at home because I live in LA. All my friends brew it at home.
Live cultures.
So the same,
I love it.
the same thing that you love about kombucha, it gives you energy, makes you feel sort of like, you know, awake and refreshed. It does for your skin. So you're going to splash it on your skin. Again, cotton round or hands, whatever you want to do.
Now, teas are really, really awesome to infuse into skincare products because they serve as a really potent antioxidant. We've talked about antioxidants before, but basically what it does is prevents free radical damage or external environmental damage from affecting the skin.
It's like if your mom wanted to put you in a bubble when you were a kid, this is the best way for her to put you in a bubble.
Yeah. So anything, you can look for any form of tea as to be a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory as well, which is really, really great.
So Jeffrey and I actually just went to this awesome Bosha event. He got his chakras read.
I got my chakras read. It was so cool.
They did this really cool thing with their new Matcha Magic Mask. This is the Bosha Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. And they took a reading of our hand, our dry little hands from the LA weather with a moisture meter and let us know how dehydrated my hand was.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy.
Let us put the mask on for about 15-20 minutes and then read it again, and our hydration levels both doubled. And when I tried this mask before the training that I had, I was like, oh, it's a detoxifying mask. Okay, cool. I'll use it when I break out or I feel like I'm a little too oily, something like that. But to know that it also hydrates and I don't have to do a double mask afterwards is really great. I actually used it last night. I put it on and I just felt like I was sort of purging that acne. I wanted to go away, but I didn't feel stripped afterwards, which is really, really nice.
And it has a beautiful cooling sensation when it goes on. So like if you're someone who likes that sensorial mask kind of feel, when you put it on, it just feels amazing. Smells great. And again, you want to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then when you remove it, you're going to notice again, plumper skin with a lot of hydration and sort of radiance. And again, like you said, purify, detoxify, removing impurities from the skin. Loving this guy.
Really great for someone who gets easily dehydrated. So I want to get rid of my little breakouts here and there, my excess oiliness, but I still want to remain hydrated and nice and plump. So this is a great option for you.
Loving it. Okay, so next up is going to be the acids categories. Now,
My favorite category.
Yes, of course. You know, we talk about it a lot on this channel, but acids are really great for kind of speeding up cell turnover and exfoliating that dead surface debris that is just kind of dulling the skin. So first up, we have from Chora Organics. This is the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. So this is a 2-in-1 mask. I actually used this one last night on myself as well.
Home, so
I took it home, so she couldn't try it.
Yes.
But it's great. I really enjoyed it. What's really cool is that you're going to get a 2-in-1 action with this mask. So not only is it going to give you an enzymatic peel with kind of deteriorate dead skin cells from a chemical aspect, but then you're also getting an exfoliating from a granule or like a physical exfoliation. So when you put it on the skin, you want to put it on damp skin and leave it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that, during that time, it's kind of dissolving the dead skin.
Kind of eating away at the dead skin. I absolutely love, and I love an effective exfoliator that does both. Like I feel like that's always the best because there's actual dead skin you need to get off. No matter how much you put acid, sometimes you still need to actually have physical exfoliation, and to have it in both. And I have certain ones I love that are a 2-step, and this one just to get it over with in 1 step in one product is going to be amazing. And I feel like turmeric is just great for the skin. I keep hearing a lot about it, but I haven't found a way to incorporate it into my routine.
It's definitely another buzz ingredient. Definitely another buzz ingredient. Loving this guy. Definitely give it a try. Pick a sample up so you can give it a go at home. Really amazing.
Or don't let Jeffrey steal it from you. Okay, so also containing some acids, and some of these ingredients overlap as well, but I would say the overarching ingredient we're just kind of talking to with the product. This is the Tasha Harper Resurfacing Serum. So anytime you hear resurfacing, again, it's usually some sort of alpha hydroxy acid or AHA when you see that, or beta hydroxy acid, and those are meant to slough off the dead skin, because a lot of times when you're seeing dullness, what you're seeing is like that grouping of all that dead, dry skin, and it tends to have like a white gray cast to it, so all your radiance can't really shine through. So it's really important to exfoliate before you kind of like seek out that glowiness. Like there's no reason to like have skin that's not exfoliated and then put highlighter on top.
Yeah.
You gotta exfoliate.
She says it all the time. Highlighter on dry skin is
it's
like
just sparkly dandruff. It's gross. So using something like this and adding it to your routine is gonna be really great because you're gonna get all that moisture from maybe your favorite moisturizer, but you're also gonna get all that dead skin off that like has no business on your face.
Okay, so last category is a category that we have actually been having in Sephora for quite some time, but I think doesn't necessarily get as, a much airtime or playtime as some of the others. And that's all about internal ingestibles, like internal wellness, sort of your supplements. How are you?
We got all sorts of vitamins and stuff like that, which is really cool.
Yeah. Now, Hum has been a cornerstone brand for us in this particular category for quite some time. They're really known for putting together really amazing blends of, vitamin cocktails that are really great for boosting skin radiance or, clarifying or, giving you a nice vitamin D kind of glow. So from Hum, we've got a new product, and this is called Collagen Pop. Now, this is actually a droplet that you can pop into your water.
And
it
fizzes.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Tastes pretty good, and it gives you kind of like a skin boost, like a radiance. It's got a lot of vitamin C and collagen, and we know what those do for us. Really great for plumpness, firmness, and elasticity. So this guy, if you're looking to boost beauty from within and pull it without, this is one.
It's always really great to attack something from the inside and the outside. This whole video made me very hungry. I want a salad with mushrooms on it. I want a little turmeric sprinkled over the top.
You need to stop. Stop side emoji.
So, if you guys are excited about this wellness category at Sephora and some of the products that we featured in this video, please leave us some comments down below. And as always, subscribe to our channel. and we will see you next time, guys.
See you soon.